Hello friends, I am getting continuously messages from the student about the new updates that has been arrived on the official website of National Medical Commission, and that is draft regulation for FMG 2021. Yes, that one notification has been already arrived, and this notification for the foreign medical graduate entrance examination. That means those students who are studying outside India and taking their MBBS degree outside from the India, they have mentioned. But before proceeding further, I like to highlight that still no next has been arrived. So don't be panic. Is I am going to appear for the next or FMGA screening test. Still till today, they have not mentioned that next has been already arrived. They have proposed. I will go in detail later. So what are the things in this draft? They have mentioned about some specific things that is important for you. Any persons, any persons who have joined MBBS course outside the India, they have must successfully qualified the NEET UG entrance examination. Yes, they must qualify the NEET UG entrance examination. Second thing, they have mentioned about the medium of the study. They have clearly mentioned that the MBBS education must be in English medium. That means those students who are studying MBBS outside the India, their course, their curriculum must be in the English medium. Now they have clearly mentioned about their course durations. Their course duration is of 48 months, where theoretical and practical training is given, and additional of 12 months of internship. That means they have mentioned of 48 months of theoretical and practical training, and apart from that you have to do additional 12 months of internship. The student is more panic about these three things what they have mentioned in point number D, E and 3.3. They have mentioned that the entire undergraduate medical training and internship shall be outside India, because this regulation is for the MBBS student who are taking MBBS degree from the outside India. So they have mentioned that their regular course of study and internship training must be from the same country. No part of study and no part of training is within the India. That means you are going to complete your 48-month plus additional 12 month of training outside the India, from the country, from the institution where you have taken the admission for the MBBS course. Okay. The point number 3.3, the most vital point is that they have clearly mentioned about that till next is arrived, FMG screening will serve as a screening test. Okay. So till next is arrived, that means next has not been arrived at. Okay. But if the next will come, what will be the change? What will be the pattern? They have mentioned that next one will serve as a FMG screening test. But the paper of next one will include a additional paper, and that paper to check your knowledge of pre and paraclinical subjects. Yes, that means The next will be in two phase, next one and next two. Next one is for that, next one will serve as a screening test, but additional to next one you have to appear a additional paper where the question will come from the pre and paraclinical subjects. Okay, basic science subjects. Remember that this time they have clearly mentioned earlier you have choice to appear in the exams so many times, and you can give the exam so many times, but still there are no any bond how many attempt you are going to give. But this time they have clearly mentioned that the foreign medical graduate are required to qualify the screening test within 2 years of completing the MBBS abroad. I don't know the detail about that, why they have mentioned this line, but for the safety point of view, you should must clear about these things. Second thing, if they are going to restrict the time limit of 2 year durations, then definitely you have to study a lot, because I know many students is there, they are trying many times to just pass this exam, FNG screening exam, but this time they have mentioned you will get a 2 year after completing your MBBS. So you must be prepared for the future. So those who are appearing for this June FMG exam, the screening exam is as it is, but they have mentioned about FMG oblique next. That means in future they are planning to implement next, and probably it may be your December or next to that. Next is coming. So this is the some small updates about. So don't be panic. Okay, no need to panic. Good luck.